Hello, everybody. I'm Gloria Allred, and I'm a civil rights attorney. A civil rights attorney is somebody who stands up for people who are the victims of some injustice, like race discrimination, sex discrimination. We've done same-sex marriage cases all the way to the California Supreme Court. And we say everybody's entitled to respect and dignity. That's what we do. And we fight back and we win. My goal is to focus on learning how to make a good argument without name calling, without the use of four-letter words. So we're going to have debate and we're going to take certain topics. I think I'm not going to tell you in advance what the topic is. I'm not. It's going to be a surprise. Okay. The subject is going to be abortion.
The great thing about Gloria's class is she says, here's the situation. Which side are you on? Now you have to present the argument for the opposite side.
So 50 Cent here in quite the dilemma. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but you see Fifth ain't keeping quiet and ain't happy with it at all. This attorney, Gloria Allred, you see, says, the moment I realize I don't like lawyers, Gloria, you should know better. Chase a different ambulance. He's calling her an ambulance chaser, as he also told her, you're not gonna get any money from me that way, but if you call me, I'll take you to dinner, LOL. So, you know, Fifth always got to have his jokes and whatnot, man. And it's so bugged out. You know, Fifth has a few different books out or whatever. In this one book, he was doing a book signing at some store in LA. And this guy, what's his name? Guadalupe de los Santos. Fifth is calling it a shakedown, right? This guy's claiming he tried to holler at Fifth and get a book signed, and that Fifth had his team with him or whatever. Like his driver knocked this guy off his electric scooter that was broken, and the guys all heard all these medical bills are piling up. It sounds ludicrous. Fifth is saying it never happened, but you see here it says an attorney for 50 Cent tells TMZ Mr. Jackson has neither been served with or seen a filed copy of a lawsuit filed by Ms. Allred's firm. However, if and when such a frivolous claim is filed and served, rest assured that Mr. Jackson's legal team will swiftly move to dismiss the matter and seek the maximum cost, fees, sanctions, and other remedies that are available under law. So I don't know if y'all have ever heard of a reality show called Dream School. I personally have never heard of it. I guess Fifth and his Gloria attorney has some kind of involvement together on this show or something like that. I don't know. Comment if you've seen the show. I'm totally lost in the sauce about all that. But apparently she's just representing this person, you know, and they're saying like Fifth ordered his drivers and stuff to hurt this guy. You know, it just sounds so bugged out. And let's say 50 Cent is a wild dude, right? But not in that way, right? That he's all about his business and his money, right? So why would he just have someone who's seemingly a part of his entourage assault a guy wanting a signature autograph, right? Like this makes no sense, man. De Los Santos claims that after attending 50's book signing in LA last September, he was riding his scooter when the rapper's car pulled up next to him and suddenly opened its door, knocking him to the floor. He claims that the G-Unit boss ordered somebody to open a door and that he suffered injuries from the incident as well as his scooter being rendered inoperable. 50's own attorney denied that his client had been sued, telling TMZ Mr. Jackson has never been served with or seen, we already said that, a copy of the lawsuit. So, you know, and then like, was this based upon The leaked reports, presumably by Ms. Allred, Mr. Jackson is not alleged to be the driver of the vehicle or even the individual who the plaintiff paparazzi alleges opened the door as he charged a vehicle as it drove away from the bookstore. So it just is this leaked. Nothing's been filed yet, but if and when it does, Fifth's a legal team's gonna attack it. Who leaked it out? Was it this other attorney? Like, I don't know. This just all sounds so bugged out and bizarre, right? Like some put together story, the doings of some kind of nutcase or something like that, right? Allred is a controversial attorney known for her advocacy of women's rights, but also allegedly played a role in suppressing the voices of victims of Harvey Weinstein, while her daughter Lisa Bloom was employed as his lawyer, and she has yet to respond to Fifty's comments. So I don't even understand what's going on here, and that's some sick, disturbing ish that this attorney helped cover up Harvey Weinstein's ish, because her daughter allegedly was his attorney. I don't know what's going on here. Hopefully Harvey continues to rot in prison for the rest of his life, man. I don't know if y'all seen that. There was some stuff with the appeals where they were talking about one of the sentences was going to get thrown out, but regardless, he had a whole nother case. There was like West Coast charges and East Coast charges or whatever. But I don't know, man. Just such bugged out weird news here. 50 Cent stays caught up in some whole other ish, you know what I mean? And we know Fifth loves his Instagram comedy and the clown around, but this, I mean, nonetheless, it's funny, but like, what's going on with all this? You know what I mean? Some guy gets knocked off an electric scooter and they're trying to just throw it on Fifth, and I don't know. Sounds pretty weird. Comment, share your thoughts, and stay tuned for updates. It's Coffee. Up out of here, y'all. Peace.